Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line in Adobe Acrobat. This is incredibly useful when you need to annotate documents, highlight sections, or simply add visual separators to your PDF files. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the application launches, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account. This step ensures you have full access to all the editing tools Adobe Acrobat offers. After logging in, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the main screen or in the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of PDFs you've worked with recently. Browse through and select the file where you want to draw a line. Click on it to open the document in the main editing workspace. Now with your PDF open, look at the left panel of the interface. This is where all your drawing and annotation tools are located. Click on the Draw Freehand button. A drop-down menu will appear showing various drawing options. From this menu, select Line. This activates the line drawing tool, allowing you to create straight lines anywhere on your document. Before you start drawing, you might want to customize how your line looks. To change the color of your line, click on the color picker in the left panel. A palette will appear with various color options. Choose the one that best suits your needs, whether you're marking something important in red or keeping it subtle with black or gray. You can also customize the line thickness to make it more visible or keep it minimal. Below the color picker, you'll find a button for adjusting line properties. Click on this button and a slider will appear. Move the slider from left to right to adjust the thickness of your line. Sliding to the left makes the line thinner, while moving to the right creates a thicker, bolder line. With your color and thickness settings configured, you're now ready to draw. Simply click where you want the line to start, then drag your cursor to where you want it to end. Release the click to complete the line. You can draw as many lines as you need throughout your document, and each one will maintain the color and thickness settings you've chosen. And there you have it. You've successfully added lines to your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat, making your document clearer and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.